Hi buddy! Hi mate! I'm here in holiday in Dubai, UAE. I just came from the airport. And you know what I've got, buddy? I will do unboxing. I found the present. Charan! Present. We'll see what's inside. Of course, first of all, you have to open the box. When unboxing, you have to open the box, buddy. Wow! Look at that, buddy! Wow! I thought it's this one of the casing. But look at that. Wow! It's iPhone X Max, buddy. Ah, with 512 GB. Look at that. iPhone X Max. Of course, you have to remove from the plastic. Oh, thanks, Apple. Thank you, Apple, for this wonderful present. Wow, I'm so excited. Now, designed by Apple in California. Ooh, wow. It's, what is this color? Like bronze? It looks like gold, bronze, something like that. And I've got that charger, but this is not MK. This charger is compatible in the Philippines and in United States. We also have here in Saudi Arabia, but now they are changing it to MK socket, the 3 sockets. And wow, I've got headset and this charging cable. But I will not use this charging cable because I've got the old one and the headset. I'll just keep this one in the box. Anyways, this is my lovely present. Thank you again, Apple. Bye, buddy, and see you later. Bye.